we've made it to underwriting. And this is where all the work we've done, gathering documents, running numbers, and organizing everything, turns into a loan approval. I used to always say that underwriters hold the golden pen, but because everything's digital these days, I think I have to start saying that they have the golden keyboard. They review your income, your assets, your credit, and all the property details, and make sure everything meets the guidelines for the loan you've requested. And when they finish up, they issue what's called an initial conditional loan approval. And the conditions really become our marching orders. They're a roadmap of everything we need to do and document before we can close. So there's a little more work to come, but for now, you can enjoy a lull in the action. But if you're feeling fidgety and you're looking for a way to fill the time, this is a great time to shop for homeowners insurance and also think about the logistics and timing of the funds that you're going to be sending to closing, getting wiring instructions from the settlement agent, and initiating the liquidation or transfer of any funds you're going to be using to close that aren't already in your savings or checking account. But also, enjoy the pause. We'll be back in touch as soon as your file comes out of underwriting.